What up? Good morning, good morrow, just good. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone's doing absolutely fantastic. It is Thursday. It's Thursday. I need to keep reminding myself where we're at. I keep thinking it's Tuesday, so that's a little bit of a nice surprise. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, it's Thursday, awesome. Have we missed anything? Not really. Not in particular. Need to just quickly mark out everything, and then we'll do a quick top to bottom analysis. Do we have a new daily opening gap? Tiny. A nitty bitty little one. I don't know if this is going to be respected at all. Wasn't respected there. But I'll still just mark it out, you know. Show it. Good grief. Let's maybe zoom in and make life easier. Like I said, it's an itty bitty one. It is itty bitty, but it is still there. Meow.
Nice.
Meow. What's up, David? How you doing? Good morning. It is all dark and overcast here, which makes me sad. Here's Asia High then. Okay, okay. Awesome. And last thing I want to do is mark out midnight. Midnight is around here somewhere. It's over there. Don't ask why I'm singing things. That's not right. That's very much not right. Ooh, I messed that up properly. Here it is. I found it. Nobody panic. Is it getting cold? Is that why you're wearing a beanie? To be fair, I love my beanie. My beanie, where is it? Took it with me to the wedding because of how cold it was. It's over there. What's up, Louis? How are we? How you doing? I missed you yesterday, Louis. Where are you? You missed all the chaos. All the chaos. How was the wedding? Guys, it was busy. It was hectic. I am officially peopled out, but I don't have the privilege of being peopled out just yet. So, only after next week, Thursday, can I retreat into my little hidey hole, because my parents are coming back tomorrow for the weekend, which is cool. And then after that, my sister decided to have her wedding, which again is fine. It's great. It's grand, you know, good for her. But now I have to go up and fly up to Joburg for that. So I will not be here next week, Wednesday or Thursday morning. I will be back for New York session on Thursday though. Oh, because of that. So like I said, good grief. All my energy has been drained because being around human beings is really hard. Sorry, that was just my 2 cents, and I haven't had any coffee yet today. This is me on lack of coffee. It's not ready. So are we ready, set to go? No, not yet, because I have not marked out a ding dang thing. Whee! Let's mark this out. Okay, I'll mark this out there. Why are we yelling? David, you sent a photo. I'll go and check it out now. That's nice. I'll call that the low there. That's done, that's done, that's done. Awesome. These are kind of relative equal highs there. we're just gonna have to keep a watch and see what we get there. Wow, look at New York. This was New York compared to Asia already this morning. That's embarrassing for New York. What is going on? Wow, New York, be better. Okay. That's done. Now let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. See what we're working with here. Let's check out daily. Okay. Retracement. So a good point of interest would be around that 669 level. Yeah. Around 669, 670. Somewhere there for it to go potentially even further back down and then continuation back up, because that's an insane doji that happened there on yesterday. That's an insane doji. Okay, 670 is a pretty bang on spot there. Let's check 4 hour. What's up, Deb? How are we doing? I missed another kill at a screeching bench. I have a student in my ass and people. Oh. So Louis, did you just have me in the background and you were just like, okay. No, it's embarrassing. No ways, Debbie. Why is your Wi-Fi not working? That's hilarious. See, it's not just here in South Africa. It's not just here in South Africa. I think it's just more common in South Africa, but it happens everywhere where things just stop working. That was a big rejection off over there on the 4 hour. Hasn't really created anything there yet. This is something to take note of over here. Okay, 1 hour. Sorry, just having a look-see. Oh dear, Wi-Fi. They kind of pointed at you on the screen and showed it. He or she acts like that. That's hilarious. I love that. That is absolutely phenomenal. Cool, calm, and collected. Seriously, was she like just panicking because she was in a trade? Oh, they were in a trade. I'm assuming it's the girl, right, Louis? That is absolutely amazing, and I love that. Yeah, to be fair, I used to get very over the top when I was in a trade. So, yeah, I get it. It's 3 minutes max, just my bot's running, I'll be fuming now. Brought for like 5 minutes, then we started winning, which actually made it worse. Oh no. Oh no. Why did it make it worse? Because she was getting excited? Okay, so wait, now this is 2 AM. I'm looking here at all of these bearish fair value gaps. Okay, 15 minutes. Beep, 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 boop, boop. Okay, done. Still looking here. Looks like it could just be retracing. Let's see if this is just a bit of a retracement to 50% or if this is doing a little bit of a U-turn. U-turn, okay. I'll see myself out. Oh, Louis, are you gonna start getting a crush on your student? Good luck, have fun. She's a flibbity gibbet, a flibbity gibbet. Damn, I love it. I love it. So, Deb, you say it happens from time to time, but for 3 minutes max. To be fair, cannot relate. If it happens here in South Africa, it's for quite a while. It's a pretty solid, irritating moment when it does that. Okay, but let's see. Here was the 3 a.m. open. A nice. Wait. Let's put all my shenanigans back on. There we go. Shenanigans. Decent break above. Let's see if this is going to go back into VWAP. Nothing there, nothing there. Wow. Okay. Quite a decent open here for 3 a.m. Do you know what? I do need... Aw, Devontae, you were so cute. I'll unmute you in a sec. Just... Ew, David. Devontae, how you been? How's the trading been? Oh. I brushed my teeth. And now it's like minty coffee. This is not supposed to be a thing. Ugh. Okay. A few more sips and that'll go away. Sorry, that was... Oh. That is not what I wanted to taste so early in the morning. Anyways, let's do this. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Okay, so oh my great giddy aunt Maya. This is not starting well. This is not starting well. Just saying, this is starting with me not even being able to flipping mark out the correct candle. This is only gonna get worse, but it's okay. Trading has been well. I see you still have your funded account. I do. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing anymore, to be fair, but I still got it. It's still here. It's still alive. Hey, Logan, how you doing? And some family has been getting... Oh, nice. Yeah, the mental part is hard, Logan. The mental part is so hard. You know, I struggle with it every single day. Am I drawing trend line? No, I was not drawing a trend line. I was just marking out the open. I just completely butchered everything. That's basically it, Debbie. I am not a functioning human being yet. Let me wake up. And then I'll be a functioning human being. And then we will be good. Here we go, question mark. I mean, that was a decent, well, okay, let me not lie. Oh, okay, well, the 20-point candle. That's not bad. Alright, did you buy Tori's triangles? Absolutely not. Good grief, y'all. I accidentally, like, did one itty-bitty little thing for half a second. And y'all are coming at me. Good grief. Wow. Just...
That's what she said.
Maya taught Tori. Debbie, I like that. Maya, I want to see a 6-figure balance. This is not a marathon. This is Sprint, Lambo win. Fish doctor, is it? Are we full porting today? Is that what I'm hearing? We're saying good and we're full porting. Is that what I'm understanding? Fish doctor? Yeah? Yeah? You know what? I'm on it. Screw it. I'm on it. We'll do the coin. I need to get a new coin for today. This is yesterday's coin. We gotta do the coin toss. And what, just YOLO in? I would say I'm kidding, but meh. Full port, because you drew a line. Y'all are really salty about that line. Yeah, I couldn't focus. I was anxious and getting depressed, but I'm marking up charts. Haven't taken any trades just in case, even on demo. I think next week I'll mark up and test support and resistance. There we go, Logan. Yeah, literally. Despite what we are now joking about, again, just jokes. Literally just jokes. Trading, you go at your own pace, hey? If it takes you 5 years to become profitable, it takes you 5 years. If it takes you half a year, flipping respect and good on you. This is not an easy... I think that's just, it's not easy. And that's the misconception. Some people are like, no, it's easy. Nope. Nope. And this is why people think it's a scam because they expect to make money quickly and get rich fast. And that's just not how it works. Line confirmation bias, full port. We might just go for Asia highs. Geordie, Myers, necessary lines again. What's up, Adam? How are we doing? Listen, Asia dropped so much. Especially compared to New York yesterday. It's actually insane. If it wasn't on VWAP, I would have maybe looked at this mamma jamma over here, but I don't like where VWAP is. Want to see this? Yeah, that would have annoyed me. That did not retrace far enough back down. Cool, so I have not missed anything. Just saying. I can ask what the jokes on markups are about. Is it too... What do you mean, Logan? Hey, Beachman, what's up? Oh, Beachman? Flip, let's see. Yesterday I got a break-even trade. And that was basically it. Yesterday was actually a bit of a break-even day. The other setup I had, it didn't come and tag me, and it would have been a flipping banger if it did, but it didn't come and tag me in, which is a bit of a pity. Might take a coin flip trade, 20 points, buy or sell. Going each day how to trade. He's off all next month, so aims to get him paid out within the month. You mentioning it all too. That's cool, Debbie. Why is he off for a month though? Good grief. That coin toss thing, that's gonna make sense. Yes, I'm conscious even if you're not in 50 rounds, fun game and flip that. Better than a red day. No, exactly, Beachman. Yeah, it was a break-even day. There was nothing like special. It was either consolidating or running away without me, which was a little bit rude. We know that happens often, but it is what it is. Beep, 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 beep. Louis, you know, it's very interesting that you say that because it's actually been helping me. In a weird way, the coin toss thing has been helping me on the paper. For one reason and one reason only, it's that analysis paralysis has kind of gone away. As you guys very well know, I used to get a bit like stuck. And even if it was a good setup, I wouldn't take it. And this just by flipping a coin and just taking trades on paper has kind of gotten rid of that. Well, no, it has. It has. Yesterday I placed a bunch of trades. They just unfortunately didn't come and tag me in. But yeah, ironically, in between just not taking it so seriously has actually helped. I know it's weird and I know it won't be the same for a lot of people, but I think just allowing myself to do the things that sometimes the brain wants to do, like just tossing a coin and taking the trade, win or lose, literally doesn't matter because it's not my strategy, it's not how I trade, it's not costing or making me anything. It's just being able to do something. Has actually been. I know that sounds weird and I know that will not work for everyone. But for me, so far, well, at least... Anyways, at least that's how... Did this just fall in my pocket? It basically fell in my pocket. That was pretty cool. It has, in a weird way, been helping me. Solly! What's up, Solly? I know what you mean, but it's being on paper, it's not real. Did the coin toss thing on your real account and see if it helps? No, but the point is for it to make no difference. I'm not gonna be dumb and like do something to mess up my funded account. I know I do dumb things, but I'm not dumb enough to do that. Put the hood on, gangster. Okay, bring it. Let's do this. Let's... Okay. Do I look gangster? Yeah? Do I look cool? Was this the look you were hoping for? I feel like I look a little bit like a marshmallow now.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Understanding why I usually sacrifice for evil is just to profit in the funded. You look harmless! Isn't that the point? I feel like I don't want to look like someone that it's actually getting a little toasty. I'm just gonna... I mean, I would hope I look harmless. I'm wearing like little bow... Or little... Oh my gosh, I'm little Bo Peep. That's what I look like apparently. Little Bo Peep. You look like you're gonna sit in the corner of a very dark room and cry later. Wow. I don't cry. I am made of steel. I never cry. Dun dun dun. Okay. Let's do this. As a security agent, to at least look like you're not a punching. Did I look like a punching bag? That's not good. That's not good. Yeah. I'm trying to decide if that's a proper insult or not. Anyways. So far so great. I'm on record breaking week, so being good. How's it going? Okay. Speaking of coin toss. Let's do it because apparently this is going sideways. We need a new coin. Ugh. Because this is what it always does. Take that one. Hey, yeah. Okay. New coin, who dis? Okay, it yeeted itself off the table. That's not a good start. Okay, it says bye. Let's see if this works. Let's make the stop loss around there. to be fair, not that. I want one to be here. One to sugar honey iced tea. One would be here. And one would be a runner. Let's see. Boom! What's up? You're so weird. The bioeffect. No, just harmless basically a punch. To be honest, at least look like you bite. Yeah, no. Coin toss to full board. Hey Dallas, what's up? How's South California treating you? What could go wrong? Okay, fish doctor, again, this is on paper trading, so meh. It is what it is. Ah, womp. It's one of those annoying days of, oh dear. Come on, coin, don't do me dirty. Anyways, it's one of those annoying days of it's too cold to not have like a jersey on, but it's not cold enough that the jersey doesn't, how do I put this? If the jersey's too thick, you get hot. It's very irritating. I don't like these type of days. What's up, Pipstar? How we doing? How's everyone doing? How has the week been treating you? Is everyone green? Is everyone good to go? Is everyone profitable? I'm gonna say something that's gonna be lame. Just deal with it. What's the happy hips? Can you tell the coffee's kicking in? Anyways, yeah. What's up? How's it going? Making big money? Oh, not yet, Dallas. To be fair, I've been doing a little bit of a just in between trades while I wait for A+ setups, because sometimes the A+ setups do take a while. I pop onto paper trade and literally just do a coin toss. It's quite entertaining. Well, maybe entertaining is the wrong word, but it gets rid of the itch of I have to take a trade. It gets rid of that itch. So that's cool. That's cool. I was trying to scalp Asia this morning. Jump on, jump on, jump off. And how did it work, Solly? No, keep the happy hands. That's why I came here. That's bad. Fun guy, happy Thursday. How you doing? How's it going? How was the rest of your day yesterday? You do the same thing? Amazing. To be fair, the coin toss has been pretty 50-50 if I, yeah, let's say 50-50. Blew a funded overnight. Oh! Some guy, what happened? Logan, what's, oh no, what happened? I feel like I'm a few steps back. I don't know why. I'm here for this conversation, but I'm also not here for this conversation. What's happening? All it takes is forgetting to put your stop loss. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, some guy, no. Oh, that's heartbreaking. I am so sorry. What on earth? Hey, you're into ponies, right? I actually hate wearing my hair up. I know that's a bit of a weird thing for me to say, but yeah, I'm actually not a fan of wearing my hair up. Yeah. don't know if that's weird or not. I feel like maybe that's weird. Bitcoin had a long down and alert went off in the night, so confirmations enter, went back to sleep. That is like actually pretty funny, Louis. Yeah, you actually hit the nail on the head. It's all good, Lord. A mistake can happen to anyone to me. Oh no, 100%. Happened to me before. It's why I actually don't like leaving a trade open. For that very reason, I feel like I've always messed that up. I've had it a few times when I've come back and I'm still in the trade. And luckily it's sometimes in the green. And I'm just like, what's happening? And then I realize and I go, oops. Took only 2 trades yesterday during New York session, made 175 and shut it down, trying not to overtrade. Damn, Dallas, look at you go. You're doing amazing. What on earth? Oh no. Rejected off of. Oh dear. Let's see what happens here. Might come and take me out first. What was the breach? Most annoying is I was ready to take a payout. Was with yeah, okay, that makes it sting just a little bit more. I'm not, yeah, that sucks. That looks fun, it's just in her head. That's not right, never had to walk away when you're up big, yep. That is amazing. I'm low-key impressed with Louis. But yeah, some guy that does that, yeah, that's a bit irritating. That sucks. Some guy, why are you off this week? Because I remember you said, are you off work this week? Why? Are you just maybe working nights? Oh damn, this is solidly going sideways right now. Watch, I say that now it goes down because I said it's going sideways. All good though. Got to watch a crazy thunder hailstorm last night. I was up early. You should swim again this morning, so life is good. Oh, nice, some guy. I mean, I attempted being the keyword, took Perry for a run yesterday. Attempted to take Perry for a run today. I've never seen a dog go nope more than he went today. So normally to go to the beach, you go down the hill. For the run, I go up the hill and around, and then we end at the beach. Turned up and he just started dragging me. He just noped right out of that, and I was like, okay. My bad. So we just went for a bit of a longer walk on the beach today. Wow. Did he just give me a little bit of the middle finger. Ooh! Set in the park now. Coffee, pastry, and sun guy. That do sound amazing. Lavender, honestly, what's up, Lavender? How you doing? But yeah, psychology is a bit of a pain. Psychology is rough, man. Why am I in a buy? Boom. The coin said buy. I'm paper trading. I just did a coin toss. Dallas, are you talking to me or are you talking to some guy? I am prop trading. This right here is actually a paper. Just paper trading. And yeah, that's about it. I'll swap to my funded account when I get an A+ setup, but right now there ain't none. This just be barcoding, so no A+ setup for me, unfortunately. When you gonna borrow your account? We've been waiting. Oh wait, I have to get down from here. It was about 11 p.m. I had a dream about you the other night. It was an apocalypse dream. And there was a tsunami and you were the one rallying everyone to run up the hill. Don't say that when I live so close to the... Sorry, the brain malfunction there, but don't say that when I live so close to the ocean. Luckily, touch wood, in South Africa we don't really get tsunamis because of, well, if I'm not mistaken, Madagascar is in the way and we are basically on the middle of a tectonic plate, so we are pretty, we're pretty well located when it comes to natural disasters. But please don't say that, you know, it's one of my fears, is getting caught up in a tsunami, and I say this because of the fact that just swimming in the ocean, where it's pretty tame, I just get like dragged around like a rag doll. Wow, I just get dragged around like a rag doll. It is actually embarrassing. I get hit and I'm like over there. And my friends are just staying there and they're just like, what happened? I'm like, I don't know. The ocean just decided it was my time. I don't care about me, Debs. That's a lie. Boom, you know I care. Even hopped on your stream and got you more subscribers. Liar, liar, pants on fire. I realized you asked why I'm here. I just had some holidays booked off for. But I'll Friday, Saturday this week. So I've been trading on session on days, but not me be at work. Oh, nice, Sam guy. Okay, there we go. I thought so, and I remember you kind of mentioned something like that, but I just wanted to confirm if you did indeed just have some, yeah. Days out. When do you have you? I'm not taking a payout, Dallas. I am on my funded. I am on my very first funded. I was $20 away from blowing it. Yeah, now it's just been a slow grind to try and get the profits back up. Good morning, Hammer. What's up? Yeah, let's be real. I'm gonna be the one getting tsunamis in Vancouver. Dude, Lavender, no, just let's not put it out there. No tsunamis. We're good. We're okay. We're good. That's also the I appreciate you having a dream about me. Wait, that sounds a bit weird. You know, I'm flattered. I think that's yes, that your brain was thinking about me. There we go. But you surf. Wouldn't you want to surf a tsunami? Lucky? No. No, I can hear how it works. Can you hear whales talking underwater? Wow. Louis. Do you think what's up, Emma? I want to know, are you being serious about Flood Earth? Are you winding up? Best time to sell moment comes and fast. What's my win rate, or is it TMI? No, my win rate's around like depending on the month. The worst it's been was 45. But I do have a 1 to 2 hour strategy. So the worst it went down to during was a March. March was really bad. March was when I nearly lost my funded account. It was just a really bad month for me. But yeah, during March, it went down to 45. The best I've had it was 65. So yeah, I guess you could say an average of around 55% win rate. Dibs, you would never know. I'm also curious. No, wait. Hammer, please tell us. Please tell us, because we genuinely don't know. We genuinely don't know if you're being serious or not. I've asked you a few times if you're serious and you don't really answer. So please tell me if you're being serious. You were a boss in the dream. Oh, I like it, Lavender. I was the boss. I say while acting like a child. I got super lucky with the weather. Hi. Honey, the entire time I've been off work. That's awesome. I guess we shall keep wondering. Also, kudos that you still have this account. It's been a while since I came in here and like I would have expected you just reset by now. Lavender, it's been close. It has been close to me just wanting to say screw it and just reset, or you know, just blow it and get a new one. It's been close. I'm stubborn. I think that's it. I'm just stubborn. Consolidation. Look, if the earth isn't flat, explain why there's a giant rifle. And explain why Antarctica doesn't exist. Oh gosh, darn it. We sell 200 lot targets. Points. How's the trading going, Lucky? Did you have sizing? Do you think there's a difference between eval and... So Dallas, I actually kept it. So this is what happened. I ironically passed my eval in end of Feb, beginning of March. And like I said, March just went... Unfortunately for me, I don't know, because March was when all the chaos happened with Trump and so I don't know if the markets were just going all over the place because of the war and the everything. I don't know if it could have been psychological as well, but essentially I kept it the same. In the beginning, I kept everything the same. I was treating the funded and the eval basically exactly the same until I got into really bad drawdown. Then I completely de-risked. So that's where I'm at now. I'm still at that point where I've de-risked until I'm back to 49, which is just taking forever. You know, it feels like those situations where I'm going 2 steps forward, 1 step back now. I mean, at least I'm going forward just like agonizingly slowly. So I'm just looking at this going, oh, okay, let's see where this now heads. Anyways, so I have de-risked. The plan is when it goes back into 49, I will then start risking $100 per trade. And when we back up to 50, I will go back to the normal risking $200 per trade. But we gotta get there first. The earth is flat, but also it's bumpy and mountainous and has canyons and trenches. I've learned 600 since the last time I came in here, so I think you're actually showing some really good discipline. Oh, Lavender, I really appreciate that. Thank you. Also, Lavender, can I just say, the way you trade is terrifying. I actually went and found you on YouTube and watched some, and I watched some with Geordie and Ollie, and we we're just there going, what the actual heck? You use Sierra charts, right? Absolutely awesome. I don't know how you do it. Respect to you. Looks terrifying. Hurt my brain cells just watching that. Solid respect to you. Yowza Lemon, are you full porting every day? How you use 6 per copy trade them all at the same time? I've learned 2 evils since I found my in October. Well, it happened. So good. I started a new 50k eval. I'm like $500 away from passing. Oh my gosh, Lucky, that's amazing. Well, I have ADHD. Hey, Lavender twinsies. That's why I like, to be fair, I actually quite enjoyed trading the 5 second and 15 second on Ninja Trader. I actually thoroughly enjoyed it. I think because of the reason that it forced me to focus like this. I mean, I have not even been focusing on this. To be fair, it is consolidating. Let's not pretend like it's doing something magical right now. But when it starts doing this, and if it's like looking at the 1 hour charts or things, the ADHD goes everywhere, and then I lose focus, and then it's a problem, and ugh. Ooh, do you guys want to see the shell I found this morning? See, sorry. No! I don't know what HD is, but I got 80 of them. Ah, damn it! I made that joke before I saw what Sally said. You should have an account just for ADHD. So is that what you do, Lavender? But then how do you do? I mean, to be fair, this is low-key what this is. So this is not my funded account right now. This is just paper trading. And literally, I do a coin toss. It's something we saw. When did we actually start doing this, Debbie? Was it last week Friday that we were just like... No, it was the Thursday. It was the Thursday after Boom's session. That is when it was. It was last week Thursday, so a week ago. About a week ago. Sorry. I started just hopping onto the paper trading and just doing little like coin tosses, especially while I'm waiting for an A+ setup. You know, it keeps me busy until an A+ setup forms. It keeps me a little bit more focused on the chart until an A+ setup forms, because sometimes an A+ setup forms and I wasn't paying attention because something else was going on, but this almost forces me to keep focused. I mean, some guy, it's quite a cool shell and it's really big. It's like, it's that big. It's a really big shell. Me too. I got ADHD as well, but high functioning, high masking, and on the spectrum. I was trying to telepath it. Sully, you know what? You did it. You did it. You nailed it. See, I got you, Sully. I knew we had a connection. Lucky I'm on. If you can pull that back out the red. Get your confidence back up. I've done it many times. A serious status? How many times have you managed to do that? Telepathy is cool. Coin flip was solely Maya's idea. Liar. Pants on fire, Debbie. 110%. Debbie's lying. Debbie, it's actually just Debbie's secret sauce and she doesn't want people to know. Yes, I can't. Just play around is the best for ADHD, but I actually find I make my most money in that account. What do you do, Lavender? Do you just mark it in on that one? Like, is that the one that you don't care if you win or lose, so you just... Maybe you see a candle you like and you say, eh, and you take it? Is that basically the thought process behind it? I didn't trade at all. I was busy with so many things. I'm going for that 30k. I'm gonna kill inside, huh? Did something else that shut up. Yeah, most of the time I just mark it in and then I'm out in like 5-10 seconds. Okay, I forget that you have a very insane trading style. Very cool, very terrifying. To be fair, like when I backtest and stuff, I don't know if it is just the emotion. I mean, it's most likely the emotion part, right? Especially with ADHD. You know, overthinking is very common. If you have ADHD, you know how I overthink things and then I would get analysis paralysis and it is very much an ADHD situation. It was actually a therapist that told me that. They said, because I went through a phase where I really was struggling with anxiety, really bad, and they said, you already have ADHD now. And I was like, what does that have to do with anything? And they basically explained the fact that ADHD, your brain is already overthinking everything and it has a million things coming at it at once. Now add overthinking and stress to the equation and it's almost like your brain wants to break because there is just way too much all the time happening so often that you don't know how to process and deal with it. So I thought that was very interesting, and it does make a lot of sense about why I overthink everything and I do it at hyperspeed. So I'm like, this could happen, or this can happen, or this can happen, or this can happen, or this happens, or this could happen, and that could happen there. So for me, the main thing, ironically, while trading is to turn the brain off. I know that is a very weird statement to say when it comes to trading, because obviously you need to think about what just happened but my problem is I overanalyze and I say, oh, but this happened and I've seen that when that happens, this happens afterwards, so that's a bad idea, and stop loss hit. Bad coin toss. Well, to be fair, it was getting close a few times. See, now I'll give it a minute and then I'll toss the coin again and wait until we get something good. Hey Neil, what's up? Oh no, Hammer, you'll catch. Next one fact is, if you pull the account back from the rate and manage to get one payout from it, you'll be in a special category of traders that get a payout from their first find it. Oh, thanks, Louis. I improved my ADHD symptoms by staring into a flame, a non-toxic candle. Meditation. Solly, I knew me and you had a connection. You know I do that. If there's candles there, I'll just stare at it. Like I get a little bit, I don't want to say obsessed. Obsessed is a bit of a weird, but yeah, I guess it's almost like a form of meditation. Is that what you just said? Did I just copy what you said? Let me just read what you said. Yeah, okay, yes. I did just copy what you said, my bad. But it makes a lot of sense because I just like focus on it. And then that's all I see and that's all I focus on. It's very weird. First, we'll give me my therapist told me the same thing. What? Level to see twinsies. That's why I stick to very low time frames or just dumb because it doesn't allow me space to overthink. Yeah. Feed everything into the flame, emotion, thought, embrace the void. The longer time frame I go, the more I lose. Remember, I've blown hundreds of evaluations, at least 59 fund in one man last year. I was tilted blue 500 counts in a short. Oh, Daz, that's insane. That is, I mean, it happens though, right? So a lot of people ask, sorry, we're doing this. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna read everything and then I'm gonna tell you something. I thought that was your default setting. Wow. Rude. Meditation levels of my ADHD. Meditating until you said you should become natural. Everything because we. Okay. Lucky check link in Discord. Everybody has intentionally done it with a campfire before. Yeah. I remember doing that actually, ironically, at a horse show where I sat there staring at the fire. I didn't even realize people had left. I was the last person there staring at this fire until my mom came up to me and she was like, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "Hello." I remember that morning because I was like, well, maybe I'm not okay. Oh, flip. I checked it out. It sent me to YouTube channel. What's it about? OTT, what's up? How are we doing? So Dallas, what I wanted to say, like a lot of people ask, isn't trading live difficult? It is. Don't get me wrong. I'm not here trying to pretend it's easy. It's hard because obviously someone will see something and another person will see something else, which doesn't always help with the overthinking. However, can I just say that you guys have stopped me going on tilt so many times. genuine. You guys have stopped the tilt so many times. It's actually quite bad. Just checking things here. Making fifth. Do-do-do. Cool. Sleep better when a dog is snoring. Yeah, that was the key. If you ever learn how to listen from the drums, also incredible control of emotion from me. And full port in that video, you was saying don't full port. But your eyes were saying something else. Oh, it feels like there's a. Ah, I guess good evening from you. So my eyes were saying full port. Oh yeah, so have you guys seen the video? What do you guys think of the video with OTT? Yes, no, maybe you can be brutally honest. Like I said, I'm not great at editing. Was it fine? What? Let's maybe say this. Was it watchable? It wasn't like, ugh. I caught strays watching OTT for no reason. What's wrong with my $10? Oh, damn. OTT, look what's up. I thought, I mean, either gun and more team. Wait, isn't some guy the dude who made you jump in the pool and posting the pool? Oh! Maybe. I need to post that. Wait. Okay, let me not jump in on this. I was about to say this could be something here, but the only problem is this could be a little bit of manipulation after the consolidation. How big is this? Let's also check the time. Ah, okay. There's something I don't like on ES that it has. I can't even know. I do until Sunday. That's really helped me in running my marketing for me and lock myself out for the day, or even just an hour. I've got my full jump. That guy. Yes, it was watchable OTT. You do have a cheeky smile, don't you? I feel bad. Drink 2 banana milkshakes. Not anymore. I think the London time plus to wait for it to close. OTT, what's up? Or Tinder? Concepts. How is that possible? Even on the air, sorry, you can talk small. The banana is big. I was going to initial one more trade. Banana it up. 8 bananas. Full shape, not the flavor. Yeah. Okay. See that? Me. But I like that. 1, 2, 3. The only problem is on ES it could want to spike a little bit higher, but I'm gonna take it. This is the funded, this is not the paper trading, just BT dubs. Well, it is in, let's see, you would want a zero ejection here. If we don't zero ejection here, it's most likely going to be a little loss, but it's fine. It's why I only did one contract. Needs to go a little further down if I'm going to move things. Some guy finding someone in the chat that liked bananas. I thought it was only me. Okay. Here we go. Break even. Sorry, if there was more contracts, I would have left it. Yeah, technically it should be further. Oh well, looks like it might be a break-even trade. Bananas, I'll go to 11 to 70, say brokers can deposit a minimum of $3. Actually good. Oh, that took it to $50. Goats are bananas. What a weird conversation you guys are now having. That account size, you could only trade currencies. Goats. Let's go. Is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A. Is that what you were singing in your head, some guy? Okay, break even. That's okay. Good grief. Oh, that was very close. If it had just rejected slightly more. Okay, break even. Well, it did reject off the level I wanted to see it reject, just not far enough. Okay, is it up or down? Or sideways? Oh! We're up a little bit. Like $1. Okay, break even, up $1. I'll take it. We're now at 94.0. Oh, good grief. Oh, gosh. I love it. Well, it did reject off of that level that I wanted it to reject, just obviously not far enough, but we got a little break even for today, so that's cool. Let's see if we can get another A+. This is banana. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Thanks for that, some guy. That's now gonna be stuck in my head the whole day. My head, in my head, bananas, bananas, bananas. Okay. The station's only gonna get worse from here. No. I can't get it. Good grief. TP at 972, medium banana meal, please. McDonald's arch looks like a bunch of bananas gonna be seeing this good. Bananas was walking a dog looking like an absolute nut job. May this ever was nightmare? I think I'm still dreaming. Oh, guys. I I genuinely hope that you guys know that you make my day. Because seriously, where else would you hear such weird unhinged things? He wants to share a double ended banana with some guy. Oh my gosh. RTT, me about bananas. That's bananas. I'm banning everyone who says the B word. You can't ban me. Banana. Banana. Hiccup. A pretty little butterfly floating above me. That some guy take a picture. Snap a little pic. Interviews bananas to build the pyramids. What? Oh, two particles. Oh, wow. Okie dokie, so little break-even trade, we went up $1.20 there. Don't need to brag or anything, you know. He took too fast. Dallas, read my earlier comment on it. Oh, Jade Cap was a fantastic video that I watch all the time, even now. 14 years of brutal honesty. Telling it'll help you get mind back in focus. Thanks, Dallas. Jade Cap. Jade Cap, isn't he? He's the one with the highest payout ever of like 2.5 mil. Is that Jade Cap? I actually watched a video of his the other day with regards to liquidity. It's actually how I mark out my liquidity on the 1 hour now. It is him, right? Yes? No? Maybe. I'm hoping the answer is yes. Next one. The first food to be eaten in space. Weird and unhinged. Philadelphia experiments, 1943. A continuation of the same. Yes, that's him. Thanks, Solly. Yeah, I actually watched, like I said, one of his videos the other day. That's how I now mark out my liquidity on the 1 hour. I was having a discussion with Bob about it, actually. Bob showed me and he showed me the video. Very, very interesting. Very interesting. Highest payout ever of it was 2.5 mil, which is insane. Absolutely insane. However, point is, I am gonna go watch that. Never skip banana day. I'm gonna walk back home and clean off. I'll be back. Cheers, thumb guy. Enjoy the song being stuck in your head. Lavender. Jade Cap. Jade, one word. CAP, Jade Cap. Okay, we're ready. Jade Cap and ICT trade of ETW to all the haters. I just checked it on there. From all the gossip. How many bananas can you guys eat at once? I can do 3, maybe 4, and honestly maybe 5 if they're medium-sized bananas. Like, what do you mean at one? Maybe I don't want to know. You know what? Actually, I don't think I want to know. How did this? You know, I need to start taking a logbook of the weird freaking things we talk about. Yesterday, what was it yesterday? We were talking about something weird yesterday. Oh, it was OTT talking about robbing banks yesterday. That was a very weird, unhinged conversation. Now today it's bananas. The other day it was, what was it? I feel like I needed to start taking note of all these weird, unhinged things that start being said. I can confirm that this chat has gone bananas. Yeah. Is that confirmed payouts or flex payouts? Because there's lots of people who flex payouts without having any. No, it's confirmed. Lavender, I'm pretty sure it's confirmed. Yeah, he's like well known for the fact that he's had the highest ever confirmed payout. But he can eat 10 bananas. This confirmed Apex biggest payout. Oh, I think he still is, Solly. I'm pretty sure he's still Apex's biggest payout. And there was one big payout, and it was confirmed. Oh, whoever that other guy was, yeah, Jade Cap. I think Jade Cap is, yeah. He has the unbeaten record. The question is, what situation that gets your life in danger for you to eat 5 bananas? He became one after he took the payout. Demonte, that's the difference. He took the payout first and then he became one. Alright, TP hit nice, Louis. Whoop whoop. Maya's a scammer. She tells us she's gonna buy us bananas, but only. Ah, so appealing. Anyway, whoop whoop, Louis, well done. I took out a mill, not sure if that was legit though. Didn't get into it. Okay, wait. Now I'm curious. Okay, well I'm curious about this first. Let's do another. Let's do another papier. Let's do another paper trade. Hiyo. Sell. Just confirming. Yes, we're on paper. That would have been bad. Mother fluffer. I don't know why I do that. Nope. I'm being dumb. Give me a second. You have to go such a short itty bitty distance to get there. Okay. Paper. What I wanted to do was I actually wanted to Google Oh, okay. Lavender. Kyle is JCap. There we go. I hope maybe that answers that. My TV media goes the other direction. Oh, it could be discounting streams always big on the stream, but you never get those ones. Okay, that's not fine. That makes sense. Yeah, I was just trying to look that up. So here we go, guys. Yeah, just said largest prop firm payout. The largest verified single prop firm payout is 2.5 mil, achieved by futures and forex trader Kyle, known as JCap or JadeCap. He received this record-breaking single withdrawal from Apex Trader Funding. Yeah. And there's prop firm match. That one's always quite good to get. Yeah. To get some verifications. But he is confirmed. Yeah, there he is. JadeCap. Maybe I shouldn't Google this online. Okay, let me quickly swap you guys back here. I want to quickly, I'm gonna check something. Go pluck some. Which was before he became an official marketing partner. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Demonte, to answer that question of yours, I asked, you know, was he a marketer of Apex before or after the payout? He got the He got the record-breaking 2.5 mil single payout from Apex in April 2025, which was before he became an official marketing partner for them in March 2026. Oh, damn, this was recent. So he had already achieved the world record payout in his performance accounts, pushing his lifetime prop firm earnings over 4.5 mil. What the heck? He then joined Apex as marketing partner in the late March 2026, where he began offering discount codes to the public. I hope that answered some of those questions. Good grief. World's best ICT traders breaks world. Oh, you're right. Damn, I actually did not know that he used ICT. I am learning so much today. Anyways, back we go. I see stop loss on the coin toss over there. Which is fine. Coin toss did me dirty. How are we looking here? Oh gosh. In the red for the coin toss. Be better. Don't you know how hard it is to get a payout from Apex return? Maybe trade prop firm record. Maybe it'll take me another year or two. Yeah, at least tourists and integrity. That he's been expired. He just acts like it's not even real. Whether profit or not, I can't say. Just know whatever. But Lucid and Topstick now have instant payouts like this month, and I got paid in 30 minutes. Yeah, Dallas, I've heard Lucid is pretty on point with their payout system. I know Tradeify is competing. Has anyone had a recent payout from Tradeify? Also a really good ICT Tradeify's name. I think it starts with a K. Are you thinking of Kyle? OTT? Okay, JCap gets the pass. I still don't believe it. Before he got 2.5, they made him sign his rights over, and that's why he works for them now. You never know the whole story. Only reason Tori got some integrity, so she hasn't been fully exposed. Man, she got me thinking now. Tube traders. No one can post a 5-year trade statement, even ICT. Problems Club's never been able to generate 10% return annually. What a joke. Hey, Arco, what's up? Who says the best? Bro, a lot gets done behind the scenes. Never trust what they show. They show you. Lavender, agree. Trading is hard enough. Now imagine having to help others be profitable. My trading's so quick, I sometimes can't even start recording the trade, let alone give a call on Discord. I mean, OTT, then just trade live. Then if they miss the trade you took live, that's on them, baby boo. Just started Lucid last month and I love it. I am so jelly we don't get Lucid here in South Africa. Do you know how well they would do? I think every South African would use them. Just saying, Lucid, if you're listening, open up. The 28th time all the cash from my dream. Hey, Sharpening, how you doing? I've seen Mumba's live trading and he does actually win live consistently when I don't know when he's doing it. Do I trade the what's up, Cozy Crypto Crib? Do I trade the silver bullet? I do not, sorry. Lavender, what? Really? Okay. CT trading profitable and taking a lot from props. Lucid is the go. Yeah, Lavender, it's not they are not available to South Africans, unfortunately. Yeah, so that's fun. If they were, like I said, I feel like we need to sign a petition for Lucid to open up to South Africans. If they did, I'm pretty sure all South Africans would actually use them. Well, obviously, all the South African traders would get an account with them. I wonder why that is. To be fair, South Africa is on a few prop firms that just aren't allowed. Like, we don't get my funded futures. Alpha only recently took us off the banned list. When I say recently, was it like March? No? Yeah, around March this year, Alpha was now allowed in South Africa. But my funded futures, or MFFU, whatever you want to call it, Apex, obviously Lucid, Trade Day, TPT, yeah, Take Profit Trader, all of those, South Africa's on the no-no list. What's up, David? How you doing? Lucid and SA, oh my gosh, I'm buying a Bugatti. I know, I feel like we need to sign a petition or start a petition OTT. I don't know if they would do it, but I think we should just say, screw it, and start signing a petition to get Lucid to open an SA. Lucid is available. An American to open an account for you, then you trade with VPN. Have the trader get you the path. Yeah, no, that's bad. Actually, the really good, decent ones. Make you vendor some rules like that. Only for gambling, like we're not allowed. But for trading, want to make your own prop firm for Africa. A lot of money to be made. I don't even know how you would do that. How would you make that? Just literally never thought about it. Never bothered. Never bothered thinking about it. What am I doing? Sorry, coin toss said sell. So, I copied 5 accounts on Lisa, got paid last Wednesday. Damn, Dallas, that's amazing. I see my answer. Signals and trades can be cool. I'm not really busted. Take some personally didn't know I could make that quite easily actually. Trading on Betfair is where I started trading. That's amazing. I'm being a chopstick. Okay, then down here. That was supposed to be a higher R. Screw it, then we're going all the way. Yes, okay. For a second I thought maybe this wasn't on the paper account. I was like, wait, what have I done? I've done nothing. Mwahaha. We're still good. This have worked. Aww. I'm saying aw like I would have taken this. I probably would not have taken this, so it's fine. Why? Because it's in the bob level. Don't take it when it's in that bob level. But this is now at break even, so that's cool, that's cool. The coin didn't do me as dirty today. Imagine a life where props didn't exist. I would be working right now, damn. Sounds like a plan for really fun. That's... Ah, nuts! I'm like a dumbass, I blew all 5 on Thursday. Dallas, you know what? It happens. I think that's the thing. It happens. And there's nothing you can do about it. I'd be cooking. Give me a second. Sorry, this is to do with my horse. Okay, cool. Nothing major. Oh, look at it now working out. That's amazing. Okay. What's behind the stream? Jade Capital will never be broken. It makes his cap payouts and will move traders to before they come anywhere close to that record. Oh, Shaki, that makes sense though. OTT, how's the video game? Ask him, Lavender. Yeah, you ask him that very, very good question of OTT. How's the video game going? I don't hate me for this, but I haven't worked on it. I just need to have more things, been lazy. Wow, OTT, you promised me a good time. Just saying, I'm not mad. I'm just mad. No, I'm kidding. I just make the jokes. I'm making all the jokes. Okay, has 4 AM happened yet? It has. Oh, okay, 4 AM did not bring anything. I lie, 4 AM bought this little spike in volume, but nothing to write home about. Okay. Back into this chaos. Let's see. Lambda might have been working on my trade copy. He's finished 80%, so in his mind it's completed. Just got a new TP is 30. Let's see, that's definitely a man. Thanks, all you know, TT. Oh my gosh. You guys are old chops. I really hope you know that. 418, still watching. Well, at least we had a break even there. Don't mean to brag, but I'm up like $1. $2. $1 and a bit. Where's emoji? Didn't. The first emoji. My editing got me confused. Why? The lighting was weird. Which part was weird, Solly? Oh. Oh my gosh. You know, I don't actually even know what to say to you guys right now. This is just word disappointment happening. Okay, it said bye. Okay, go on then. Let's make it Louis' PP. Like 16. My literally said I'd make you black color to the video. Wow, that's like 16 rand. You are correct, Lavender. 16 rand? That's a lot of money. Could do a lot with 16 rand. I've started journaling for the past 3 months. I noticed that my percentage goes up when I take days off in between. When I train every day, my percentage goes up. Dallas, that's interesting. It's almost like you get to reset your brain. Was that what you think is happening? Are you like mine did that to you? I'm gonna see my luscious blonde hair ready. What's the big serious thing that happened about your editing? Louis, no, they're making jokes saying that I edited OTT and changed the color of his skin. I'm trying to make this so PG. I'm trying not to get cancelled. You guys are gonna get me cancelled with these comments. Do you know that? Those blonde curls aren't for the internet. Oh gosh, you guys are actually gonna get me cancelled. I have people in my DMs. I don't need that attention. This is how I get cancelled off of YouTube. Not sure was that I'm already risk free. I don't know, Louis. The coin just said buy there, so I bought there. Makes no difference to me. I see you, Maya. Trying your hardest not to get cancelled. Literally, guys. Literally, you haven't really made it yet until the cancel bot comes for you. Well, we're not there yet. Oh, look at that. Risk-free. Can make $4 off of this one. To be fair, I'm surprised I haven't been cancelled yet for all of the unhinged things y'all talk about. Can I just say? Jesus. Tiana's a blonde baddie. Oh no, I don't think you can get cancelled for making a black dude white with video editing, because how would they know? No, other way around, Louis, other way around. Oh, I nearly said something like politics-wise in South Africa, and I was like, no, that's pushing it, that I will definitely get absolutely cancelled. But shit, blonde hair and my editing glitched for 6, so I see you normally for 6. Maya, how could you? Oh. Guys, can I just say, if I was capable of doing that, my editing skill is then on fire. Just saying, I would be just the bomb.com at editing, whereas I am definitely not. I am garbage at editing, but I do my best. I was exposed and my real back off was exposed. Dallas. Did I blow up? Look, you think the older gen is the one that still care about race. The newer gen makes jokes. We're not the same. OTT, you have a point. You just have to be careful about who you make jokes. Nia. You should get it yourself to be a South Korean role and watch the chat go bananas. What, must I be an uwu girl? Is that what people are saying? Need to start doing some uwu stuff. Gonna ew myself out of this conversation real fast. I was supposed to do so with my hands, so you turn unprofitable. Guys, I actually can't with you guys. You guys are too much. Nah. Not worth it. Out for $17. Not bad, not bad. Let's see, we are basically just stuck in this bob level now, so that's fun. Let's see, am I out of the red? Nope. Not quite yet. Maya said, ooh, time to go to bed. Ew, no, I don't. Gosh, I just remember when you have lived it and haven't lived. I mean, look, have I actually lived in those times without a doubt. Listen, yeah. Listen, yeah. Without a doubt. Oh gosh, now y'all are making fun of my age. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Stuck in the facey grey, exactly, Louis. It do be trepid. It's trepid. Did you vote yes or no for that one thing back in this? I don't know what to do with myself right now, Solly. No, don't do that. That's not okay. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. That's enough internet for today. I am the internet, but still, hey, I am the internet. That was very arrogant of me. I'm so sorry. I have an itchy eye, but I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna... Maya's the original feminist. Debbie said she'll buy it for me. Liar. Did she really? Hey, Johnson Kaboom. Loki, love that. Guys, oh. I feel like I need a minute from this conversation. This whole conversation has just... It has snowballed to no end. Wow. Just... Wow. Okay, let's do butterfly of the day. Okay. My woman tried to eat. My god, they were in the 30s. Y'all are rude. She didn't, but let me ask Debbie quick. Oh, you know, this whole chat would be banned on any other live stream. Why are people all laughing? Oh, Grill, Johnson, Kaboom. Everyone is actually just too freaking hilarious. Well, you know, I think, do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? I know that we're all doing this just for good fun and conversation and lols because, yes, I just said lols. I'm aware of how bad that is. But anyways, because of the fact that the chart's not really moving today. But... Okay, anyways, let's do this. Let's do butterfly of the day. I'm using this random generator because normally it's all the South African butterflies. I thought let's spice it up. We've gotten 2 South American butterflies so far. Let's see what we get today. A dainty sulfur. It looks a little boring. That was mean of me to say, but anyways. Dainty sulfur butterfly. What is this? Breathe better. No, don't tell me what to do. The dainty sulfur or dwarf yellow is a North American butterfly in the family. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's see its conservation status. This species is the smallest North American hybrid. Sorry, I can low-key just picture it being a pirate going arr. Anyways, it's a rare population. Oh, it's rare! Known from Homestead, is said to have mostly white individuals. I was gonna say something. Shh, shut up, Maya. Some feel that the dainty sulfur is so unique among pirates in shape and in several structural features that it should belong in a separate subfamily. Its appearance is highly variable, but a subset of distinctive features aid in identification. Cool. The habitat, the species lives in almost any open space, including coastal flats, deserts, fields, roadsides, vacant lots, and waste areas. It usually flies very low to the ground. Awesome. Okay, let's check out photos. I nearly said something that would have gotten me very much kicked out of anything. Okay, it's cute. A little function. I am having a malfunction. If I was AI, I would need to be rebooted around about now. Maybe I need a reboot. Who knows how to reboot a human being? Maybe I need to get bonked on the head with a bat. I don't know. But anyways, here it is. Isn't it cute? This is a little North American butterfly. I feel like I need to go lie down after. Okay, back to the conversation. But here's our little butterfly of the day. Let's go back to the charts. I'm scared. Genuinely, a little bit scared. Let's do this. Oh, good grief. Roaming over from her students. Never seen what I got. Stop it. I got the timeout idea. I'm assuming you guys are all rookies. He wasn't switched from. Every time I try and read something, another message comes. Stay. I wonder if this would work. Ah, it's working. Whatnot. A bit. I always buy evals and switch from my live account to fun. Get hyper focused, let me homes. So. Do this PlayStation Xbox. What do you think? And I'll use. I think I'm the oldest here. I'm 41. Butterfly options. Use. You're basically talking more. My father makes. That's all kind of guy. Oh my gosh, what's up, some guy? You've missed the most unhinged conversation talking her. It's actually insane work. Oh gosh, I don't feel they're over 18 though. Yes. At least I'm not the oldest now. You streamer offer debut. Where is the monarch butterfly? What? Why do you want to see the monarch butterfly, Arthur? It's the basic bee of South Africa. Anyways. It's a dainty sulfur when raised facing the sun. These dark wings act like high fish from solar panels, rapidly absorbing heat to tiny insects. Oh, that's cool. Like some guys said, 25 Maya, you missed my discovery. Some guy trying to filter out Maya's voice with the music. Oh my gosh, this looks like a nice extending setup. Got some can. The butterflies fly. Keep them on here for the music. So what's up? Protein shake, Solly. Wow. Do sitting out 12 p.m. Good migraine. Why? Picking up from school. Hilarious. Sorry, I'm reading back this conversation. What's up, Hosey? How you doing? I still feel like I'm gonna rip all the internals out my face. Oh no, Mikuave, what's up? This is quite up. Does anyone here use Butynox? There are. What's up, Adam? Damn, I just got you and that Lord was already presenting me with someone. I hate the delay in the chat. Wait, I'm back. Got double privilege. Do you get lucky? I'll do you don't mind me asking about them. Some maintenance last me energy. Oh, be cancelled them both. Oh my gosh. I heard Butonox is cool. I haven't used them though. I've also heard really good things about Butonox. Like I said, I haven't used them, but I've never heard anything bad about them. Yeah, I just know you can't. Well, you could use TradingView. You just have to do a bunch of things to use TradingView with them. The only bummer is that you do have to pay. If I'm not mistaken, it's monthly payment and it's a little bit pricey to get when you go from eval to funded, you pay, what's it called? Guys, seriously, wow, the malfunctioning is insane work today. Activation! Thank you! Activation fee, thank you. There is an activation fee. There we go. Oh, that hurt my brain. I think it sounds like from getting nicotine and every favorite drink is well reporting tonight. Good grief. Using for 6 years, no problem, just activation fee is high. There we go, Lavender, yeah. Draw the bottom trend line. Arthur's back. Yeah, good luck with them. God bless you. I didn't. I got your payout 3 times and 3 times. Oh, what? Oh, Dallas, that's a bit rough. Yeah, I heard that they're quite good with their payouts. That's very interesting. I thought that would go unnoticed. What did Solly say? OTT. My brain fog is strong with you. It really is today. It bad. Okay, I want to see what Solly said. To be honest, I'm reading the chat, but the brain is not braining. Mikuave? Don't worry, I don't think you want your brain to be functioning for this. Okay, shall we do another a coin toss? Because this is going sideways. I don't got nothing that is A+. Yeah, it said buy. I mean, this doesn't look like a buy to me right now, but we're buying. We be buying. Yeah, screw it. Mother fluffer. There's something else I wanted to do. Nah, bro, this is going down. Anyways, sorry. It's fine. Oh, I'm falling apart. I don't want to have on half and you. Oh my god, you know, wait, English has lost the building. Oh gosh, I'm keeping this nice and soft. So I'm still using it. Wow, lucky! Next up, look for another sweep of the high, and it would be a Model 1 distribution. You're lucky to start to experience the world. Heads up, don't get married, or they will take off your paycheck. But honestly speaking, even a newborn baby can catch up. I'm no longer in my athletic prime. Trading ruined me. Okay, you really had a system. I've noticed you're always sick. But then look at TP1 low and let the rest ride. So listen, the coin said buy, which is why I made TP1 the high there. Let's see, like I said, this looks like the shorty shorts are actually in play, but the coin said buy, so I bought. Let's see if the coin was right. We have not named this coin today, so it shall just be, as this one flip. There's someone else want me not to grow up. Didn't there for like 60. Honestly, looks like a bit of a power puff. That's told the same. That's probably why I miss. As much as I do. Have you guys watched the movie? Sorry, that statement of someone told me not to grow up. It made me think about. Have you guys watched Tag? Have you guys watched the movie Tag? It's quite funny. But it, you know, it's basically the motto is you get old when you stop playing. Great film, right? The coin buy would work out for the push to the high, if it wicks above it and close below, we likely come for the low again. Some guy, it is the best flipping film. I actually, now I'm in the mood to kind of watch it. But what is the saying that they say? Jeremy, you're in a kicking everyone's ass here. Never been married and just divorced from his previous relationship. Debbie, random question. Do you even want to get married? I feel like nowadays a lot of people are opting to not get married. I did say that I actually thought that the cells were in play here, but the coin said buy, so we bought, so we're going for it. And I'm just letting this thing now do whatever it wants because this is a paper trade. Screw it, ain't no A+ setup forming right now. Took my earlier A+, was a break even. There has not been another A+, we've just been stuck in this bob level and consolidating. That's cool. I mean, when you're ADHD, you never really grow up, do you? Ah, valid! I remember we got some from thanks, lucky, I try my best. His tag is South African, full of our kids laughing. Back and running away from each other. No, Louis, it's not. I want to get married. It's actually, it's based on a true story, which I think is absolutely amazing. The Tag, I would definitely say go give that a watch. It's not a South African film, but it is just, it's really, really good, and it's based off of a true story, which is even better. I want to get married. Am I young and delusional? You're not, OTT. I still think marriage is nice. I just know a lot of people are opting to not do it. Desperate Richmond, you want all this? Oh, this is not. Lucky definitely is a trap. He was talking back. Emma, you just hit me with some nostalgia. I got you. Held down by so negative with marriage. OTT, I'm not being negative. Good grief. Like I said, I think marriage is still really awesome. I just know that recently a lot of people are opting not to. My opinion, unless you're religious, there's no real benefit to marriage. Yes and no, some guys. So this is a debate I've had with a few people, right? If your partner dies and you are not married, it becomes a real, I nearly said something else, it becomes a real headache. Maybe it's different in other countries, but I know in South Africa it becomes a real headache. I've heard a few, like, I'll call them like horror stories of significant other dying, but they weren't married, so then there was a whole issue with who gets what because nothing then went to her. Purely for, like, they would find any reason, but because they weren't married, it was very easy to find loopholes to not let her get any of his things. And like that went with the kids, like it was just a nightmare. Also, this sounds terrible, but tax reasons, it's easier to be married than it is to not be married. I've been married. Wait, some guy, you've been married? Ghost in the Darkness is a good movie about Africa. Ghost in the Darkness. Okay, I'll have to check that one out. I've never heard of it. Marriage is a scam. Oh, good grief. Advice of farming to next generation. It can become a real headache if you don't have a will in place. There we go. So the problem is this person had a will, but I think he signed every single page except for one. And they used that. So it's so she gets all her husbands. No men. Married in Asia, maybe we'll be fine. Obviously married only once and have been debt free since then. Get ready for the squeeze. I hope you double down. Debbie, I think you meant to say mine there. Wow, y'all are rude. Lucky, trust me, they'll never forget it. Wow, you guys are bullies. There can be some substantial financial benefits and spousal protections for being married, like you can't be compelled to testify against your spouse. There we go. Jackie, that was dark as heck. I mean, hopefully I would never have to testify against my spouse. Why would I have to? Wills can be contested in court. My advice to the chat: dreams come true and so do nightmares. The more you know. Bloody hell, that was... Is today just the unhinged conversation day? This is what I'm kind of getting. This is just the unhinged conversation day. Cool. You're making me scared to get married. He said he's never very good. Unless it's a then they should double check all paperwork signed and correct. Yeah. Charge enough. Me a douchebag if I get married. She gotta be hot. Wow. I really want to get married, but nobody seems to want to. Either ADHD or the fact that I make a lot of money. Oh, Lavender, that makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense. I got a will family through a trust fund to avoid as much as possible. There we go. Tag is hilarious. Thanks, Dallas. Now I really want to watch Tag. Gosh darn. Now I have to go and find somewhere I can watch it. I don't think it's on Netflix. We'll get a sweet. We split everything well together, but we can't touch anything either one had before. Good, glad you agree. Louis, you funny. Let's just say that I've had 3 long relation. One was a marriage. All the breakups were hard and had challenges. The divorce was unnecessarily torturous. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Am I too young to have a will? Where will my money go? After can be thrown out in court happens more often than you think. Oh, that's interesting. Jackie, how do you throw out a... So I'm not asking for any other reason, just that I'm genuinely curious because I've never heard of that, Jackie. This makes me sound like a very bad human being, okay? I'm just... Anyways... Well, I'm in a paper trade, but yeah, I bought. I have a legal site where you can watch it. Okay. we stay on that gets pushed into marriage, you can have money, probably not having the same love. This part, good grief. Sure, my advice, I never did someone, never tracked, never used any friends, got separate in my life, still chill. Squeeze, now it's balancing, don't have enough money and have all the other OTT gets notes and somebody can have my car. Oh gosh, how much money needed for a will? That you could benefit someone and something which happened to you, then it's worth having. Well, I think the truth is probably wouldn't care. Don't want anyone holding anything on my head or vice versa, know what I mean? Somebody you care about, good grief. Green happens every bank accounts will keep you out of many arguments in marriage. And why I have 15k worth of PC parts in a warehouse, does that count? I mean, I would do it. Somewhere I think that works for men, but it works in opposite way for women. I don't know about that one. I've been married for 10 years. Nice, Dallas. There we go. Access, as long as separate bank accounts can be viewed freely at any time. Dallas, my role model. Dallas, are you happy? What a question. We're gonna assume he is. On today's episode of WTF is going on in Maya's stream, we have now had discussions about bananas, about things that could get me banned. Anything else? I feel like we're missing some other things here. We are now talking about marriage and wills and relationships. Next, anything else? Yeah. That is some advice for the young ones, including me. Shaki, full transparency, I'm married and have no prenup. My wife came into the marriage with nothing and she'll leave with half if she divorces me. Use the California way. Just marry another trader wedding, honeymoon, full porting all night. We go and you're gonna punch out your firstborn. Did you hear him on some prenup and separate bank accounts? I think I misread that, sorry. No. I just saw that if you have enough assets, full porting all night. Men don't seem to like that I make money and have assets. Well, no one is perfect unless she's crazy. We can live on. I'll show her mine if you can. Oh gosh. It's enough to exit one point if you like. Your stream is fire. Thanks, Johnson. I'm just here going, this is how I get cancelled. This is definitely how I get cancelled. This is how I get, like, flagged. All the chaos. Oh, gosh. Probably got to break even now. Let's see. Ah, love you guys are too much. Dallas caught a Pokemon. Absolutely happy. She is trust fund baby. So she has more money than I do. Okay, some guy, to be fair, it does depend. I hear what Lavender is saying, especially Lavender. I hope you don't take this as disrespectful in any way. If Lavender is older, like she said she is, the older generations still very much feel. Again, I'm sorry if I'm offending anyone, please correct me. I don't want to get cancelled. I'm trying so hard to not say anything wrong. And you guys are making it so hard with these these topics of conversation today. Anyways, not everyone, but majority of the older generation still have it drilled into their mind that if they are not the providers, there's something wrong with them and they don't like that feeling. I hope I didn't offend anyone by saying that, but do you understand what I'm trying to say? It's actually a discussion I had with my mother the other day, because she said sometimes even my dad gets insecure about the fact that she makes more money because he keeps thinking that he has to be the provider. And she's like, it makes zero difference in my life as long as I can have fun with him and go on adventures with him and he's the person that I choose. And I'm just like, but that's the point. Unfortunately, a lot of people had it drilled into their head that they must be the provider, and if they aren't, they are this big and not worthy. Something, you know, something along those lines. Sorry, that's all I'll say. I'll shut up now. I'm not that. Well, that's wrong. Men do like sugar mommy. Gosh. Darn it. Hello, Google. We have a rule breaker. Dad says even when I was younger, it was the same. There we go. I would make money in asking to see the highest. 6 I would consider selling. Oh, Malefe, again, this was coin toss. This is on the paper trade. Literally did a coin toss. The coin said buy, so I bought. I don't trade in the chop, but I will happily coin toss and paper trade in the chop for funsies, which is exactly what I've been doing because I had an A+ set up earlier. It was a break-even trade. You can see it over here. It literally went in, rejected down. I moved it to break-even because I wanted to see more of a rejection. Then it came back up. Everything else here. This one here may have been a winner. Nope, nope, nope. Everything else. Nope, this is why I don't trade in the chop, but we do mess around and do a coin toss. The youth impaired of the wrinkly persuasion, Louis. That's hilarious. Men's testosterone levels actually drop when they're on the pump. Are you serious? Is that like a fact, some guy? I'm moving my hand over here, lucky. Like a deep and great thing for men to provide, and it creates a weird fights. That's just to clarify, if you're about the amazing that night of the wedding, if the partner is as funny as you, I don't want to. Oh gosh, guys. I have no problem just paying for everything. Why is that always such an issue? The old treason. Wow, did I arrive at a bad time? What's Geordie? Geordie, save me! I'm gonna be banned today. Today is the day I'm gonna get banned off of YouTube. Lavender slay, girl slay. Cancel her, you guys. Oh gosh. More money than the man is the only one who's not bad. I want. Oh yes, the science. The boys and girls. Drop into America, it's possible to override a prenup, but it's not common, especially if both parties are legal representations at signing. Ah, okay. So do you know what's... okay, let me not say funny. I saw this again, it's on TikTok, who knows how accurate it is, but there was a divorce lawyer on TikTok, and he said she basically got out of the prenup by signing it with her left hand. So they actually got like a handwriting specialist in, and he was like, no, these are two different signatures because she signed it with her left hand. Sneaky little bugger. Anyways, that's good. This looks like a bull flag. When you think up or down, job for job, I wouldn't be earning what he makes. Damn, I don't want to date with you as long as you buy me things. Don't worry, we ain't gonna tell Jay. It's only a fact that testosterone levels drop if the lady keeps reminding the dude and holding it over his head during decision-making times if he has no weight in the decision that are made. So if that does that to guys, what does it do to girls? Would it not also mess with their hormones? But then doesn't that just have to do with rather depression rather than anything else? Sorry, now we're getting a little bit, we're getting deep up in here, but you know. Yeah, it's weird. No matter how much I say it's fine and how much I say I'll pay for everything, it eventually always becomes an issue. Lavender, it sounds like you've been dating children. Sorry, that was mean. Today is the day that I get cancelled. Okay. Stay-at-home dad, house husband. Their T count drops drastically. What's honey it with their left hand? Yeah, backwards. Not that kind of girl. Sorry, we could meet up, but Jay would be with me. Here we go. Let's break bread and bread. But I do let her pay for some stuff. Just to clarify, I am joking. Truth, ADHD. Oh, cool. Okay, so we got 1 there. Oh, awesome. This changed to 2 instantly. Gonna move that there. Again, BT dubs. This is paper trading. I literally did a coin toss. A coin toss. That is how I got into this trade. Again, it is a paper trade. This ain't a real trade. I do not trade in the chop. When an A+ setup presents itself, I'll take it. So this is the trade I took earlier. Got out for like $1.20, just saying. Don't mean to brag or anything. Lavender, I'm very receiving of gifts. Oh, not providing, actually. Age ranges. No. I'm very receiving gifts. May need to make the important decision like what to eat last time. Shows the food that got kicked out of Eden. Oh my gosh. Oh, Lance, are you talking about Iris? Yeah, Iris is awesome. Yeah, gotta love Iris. She's super cool. What I hate from her just because she goes to action, what she thinks I want to do is that's what she's doing. It's very annoying. So I was already now done. Very gross. There's always an issue for men when they have more money. It's a pride thing. I say a true man doesn't care about the money and only focuses on music. No, girls don't have much responsibility. Women have permission to be well. Not that have issues with it. Most men don't want that kind of chick anyway. That's why they stay single and complain. They get all that. She's building a relationship with a great caring for cats. Anyways, that's just natural though. Until it pays for a nice holiday. Then it changes. Have you ever beacon or flare I could borrow? I knew she would be familiar. Okay, no one else saw what Shaki said. That was amazing. Shaki, I respect that joke so much. That is hilarious. I would love that joke so much. I love that joke so much. Actually, I need to save this joke. It is too good. No one else acknowledged it, which makes me mad because it's really good. Love. Yeah, I think so too. OTT, I think he's speaking about Iris. We love Iris. She's an absolute gem. That was bad. Oh, Sean, pushing through. Wait, what do you think? I'm a criminal man. Surfing woman, I think would be the best. He's beautiful and gets a lot of attention, but she doesn't. Her chart blinds me though. Okay, we took the high of this mini range. Let's see if we rotate back to the bottom. Yeah, let's see what happens now. If it takes the next one, then we should be good for continuation to the buy side. If it comes back down, then we still just stuck in this range. Then we are literally still just stuck. Oh, at least we're back to break even. That was the dab. Okay, guys, I'm going to watch a romance anime to get tips how to walk to him. I'd be heading out. It's either rotate down or break out right now. Some guy, I agree. Either this is gonna go up and then we're going up, or we're just gonna stay in this thing. Right? Always address a girl with fluffing tail. It's the first time meeting her. Do it. Let's see what happens. Lavender, yes, that's where I'm going to. But you're moving to Japan. Either rotate down a break or non-profit production. You should collab with Irish. She's awesome, and you guys would be great together on occasional stream. She hits. On average, you both have similar trading strategy with ICT. Oh, Lawrence, actually, maybe I should hit her up. This is something to find online. And position to listed. Who's addressing goals? First, I'm getting her. It's true. Girls in the turn a lot. They don't keep relationships more than a year or two and always have a hard time with new relationship. I don't know. Nasdaq joining the Passport Broker. Love nice. Lavender. Lavender! Solly is putting his hat in the ring to be your next Borat reference. My wife. There we go. Sub guy. I know exactly what you're talking about. Lavender, but Maya doesn't support. She my big sis. Support my dreams. What do you mean? What? Why are you lying? Why are you lying to people? Sure. In my 37, my wife has never tried to use her money to overstep our relationship. She's kind of traditional as far as rules, but money isn't an issue. That's nice. Edged my TP and dropped. Ah, Louis. Rough. Oh, to be fair, I guess it edged mine too. Charlie got game. Y'all ain't seen the visions fighting last match. Be your player. I'm here. There we go. Lavender. He has put his hat in the ring. He wants to be a part of this. He is all here for it. Ah, look at that. We're basically at break even again. Okay, so apparently back down it goes. Some guy. Yep, here we go. Which means theoretically I should buy the dip. Right? Is that what we're doing? Are we going to be buying the dip, selling the high at this point? Look at the bottom on the bottom. My money to not be an issue eventually, hopefully. Lance, I hear you. Hold on, I'm going to tuck my tail. Who wouldn't want Solly? Solly, you got this. Good actual grief. This is how we... Okay. Remember, it's not the size of the wick, it's whether or not it can tickle that TP.
That's what she said.
Why doesn't an Asian beauty who is 30 years old join the stream for me? Does anyone have a friend for OTT? Anyone? Anyone have a friend? Apparently we're doing matchmaker today, so Solly, Lavender, hi, you guys can meet. We need a hookup OTT over here. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? What's happening? Anyone else need a date? So now 3 taps and highs. If distribution works, we should break down. We then look for a retest lower high somewhere within that previous range. Okay, I do have like 3 Asian friends. Ah, there we go, Lavender. Hook a guy up apparently. We have had 2 taps that low though, so they could try to accumulate there, but less probable. Okay. At the bottom of the trend line. I can guarantee you now, Lavender, that OTT is getting scared. At the bottom of the trend line. Anyone out there need a new boyfriend? OTT, go find your own. I'm not sharing mine. Sorry, I need a break from reading this conversation, so I'm gonna take my glasses off. Will have me questioning life right now. That's where we are at. That's where we are at today. Oh, unhinged. Oh, damn it. Right, I've been coming and have 7 rental properties plus I'm like this year so far in trading. Damn, Dallas, you're a bit of a... I mean this respectfully, like not in a bad way, but you're a bit of a busybody, aren't you? In a good way. You know, there's busybodies that are just like trying to get into people's business. You aren't. You're doing your own thing, sticking to your own business. But damn, you got a lot of stuff going on. Again, not in a bad way. I hope you don't take that as a bad thing. Can you see without your glasses? I can. I actually can. To be fair, I actually hate wearing my glasses. You know, I only wear it here. And I actually refused to wear it. One day on stream, I made a joke about my glasses and then put them on and realized that it wasn't supposed to be a bit blurry. I never realized how blurry it was. And then I put my glasses on and I was like, oh damn, it do be blurry. So I mean, I can read everything, it's just blurry. Isn't what we call a blind date. Daytrading, welcome, that was good. I missed the coin flip trade, play out, win or... Fish Doctor, it was a partial win, break even. So up a little bit in the green, and then break even, hit a little bit in profit, so a win, question mark. Don't be a gnome and go home. What? Okay, yeah, I feel enough by saying I'm older than Debbie. You don't want to know weird way or anything. Yeah, does Maya sound weirder than normal? I can't hear her clearly. Is it? Can you guys hear me clearly? Or not? Am I being a problem? I'm always a problem, but that's not the point. Good, Maya put the regression. Playing the key today. Beautiful trend line bounce. That was beautiful. Wait, Maya, yesterday was Wednesday and I do break evens. There were losses if I didn't go break even. OTT, I don't think you're focusing. I did ask you yesterday twice. I said, what day is it today? I did actually say it twice. I was like, what day is it today, OTT? I think you were focused on other things, but I was trying to point out to you that yesterday was indeed Wednesday. Is the door open, Perry? I'm pretty sure it's open. Lavender, do you have a hot Asian bestie by chance? Wait, my little. No, there's not pushing. It's just a number. I don't care who knows. I'm 41. I don't look at certain. Don't actually tell you asking for me. But it's just a number. If you met me in real life, you would think I'm like 22 at best. Damn. I look 30. And I'm 27. That fella just needs to clean his ears out. What's up, Angry Bob? How you doing? If I can hear you clean now, that's normal. I actually do, yeah, but like, unless you live close to her, it's a no-go. Does photo come on, draw it on the top. Greets if there's any women out there who are over the age of 30 who wants young 20-year-old stallion. OTT, a great choice. People say I look 30. Okay. Shall we do it? Okay. Okay, gonna just have a little stretch. Oh, okay. So, wow. Yeah, I must say, this has been a really fun London session. Not chart-wise. Chart has been absolute garbage. Wow, this sucks. But it does make sense. There was a lot of, I don't know if it was distribution or manipulation during Asia. This is the accumulation, which means that New York should be good. Maybe it was the manipulation down during Asia. This is the accumulation, and New York, we're gonna get some push back up to the buy side again. Let's see. You know, we're just gonna have to sit and wait for New York, but pointers, really fun New York session. Not the charts, just this conversation today has been unmatched. Maya, you look like a baby still. Thank you. So, Maya, do you still work I don't feel like you're making the push to trading be main income. No, we just want to be for buddies. Let me know too. I like two-piece package. Jenny likes Asian ladies. Mom, I've not been able to watch markets much, but still calling it like Nostradamus. I'm concerned. You gotta change the name of your show to Maya Pretends to Maya, when you said you were 27, I was like, wow, she's so old. I thought you were 21. Polly, stop lying. See people talking about it. I didn't realize it was trading related. Is there news during New York today? Other key factors, I'm only home every other day, so we get an opportunity to miss each other a bit and find that too. It was such a random... You know, normally I'm the unhinged one, and I'm pretty sure you guys are normally there just like doing little face palms all the time. I think you guys won today. I really, really think that you guys won today. Well done. Yes, pre-New York news today. Thanks, Debbie. It's at 8:30. Sorry, normally pre-New York is around 8:30. Yeah, you guys broke me a little bit today. I'm not even gonna lie. You won. I'm proud. Normally I feel like I'm the one breaking you guys, but today you guys did it. I'm impressed. You see it at 8:30. See, thank you. I won with my joke. Yeah, okay, no, Shaki, to be fair, you did. It was a very, very good joke. No one else saw it or appreciated it. But I saw. I appreciate it. I got you. Whee! A little bit of breathing room. Okay. Change this to 1. Yeah. And yeah. Done and done. Let's see. The coin said bye, and then I'm gonna leave a runner. I think mine looks like anything favorable for the chat. I agree with you. Only one TP at 90%. Okay, I'm sorry. Just more stuff to do with the ponies. At least someone liked it. I know, Shaki. I am upset with everyone else for not acknowledging your joke. I'm just saying. You'll need to be better. That was very close to hitting TP there. Oh, it rejected off of that little bit of a volume imbalance. That makes sense. Maybe I started working like 3 months ago. Somebody please trade this channel. You're on a trading view, aren't you? Yep. Why is some guy? Solar powered butterfly was cool though. Thanks, Louis. Guess nobody wants to be our auto flow party mate. Just the 2 of us. Just the 2 of us. We can make it if we try. Sorry. Someone fix Lambda OBS. I don't know how to do that. That's the joke again. I'm curious now. So the joke was, I'll paste it. This was Shaky's joke. I'll paste it in the chat. Are y'all ready? This was Shaki's joke. I need you guys to appreciate this. We used to be best buddies, but now we're not. Mikuabe, why is that a frozen thing? Did you do that on purpose? Appreciates. Thank you. Thank you. Someone else had to appreciate that joke with me. I read it and went, right then. That's a last joke. Becky, I got you, bud. I got you. Actually, that's why the ladies never know where to, and then just being cautious. Have you seen that that hack of how to get a girl to basically admit where she wants to go eat dinner? Sorry, I'm giving away some trade secrets here, ladies. I apologize. Just walk up to your significant other and be like, we're going out to eat. And then if they go like, oh, where? Be like, guess. The first place they guess, go there. That's where they actually want to go. Life hack. Who else trades order flow? Guys, who here trades order flow? Do a little for Jordy and Mikuabe. I mean, how old are you? Because I feel like 2 years only really matters. 2 young people. Definitely needed attention. I'm sorry, my bad. American football or European soccer or rugby. What? Lucky is 23. Another hack. If you've got to be somewhere by 6, tell them 5. You know, I do that with my family. I genuinely do that with my family. I tell them 30 minutes earlier because it takes them that extra 30 minutes to actually get out the freaking house. I had to do that at the wedding we went to this weekend. We had to be there at 2. I lied to them and I said, oh, they changed the times. We have to be there at 1:30. Guess who got there at 2? Only way to deal with my family is to do that. Neil, what's up? How you doing? I've got to be. Okay, you're a candidate. Lucky giving me layup. The important decision. Oh no, duck when you hear gunshots. Wow, rough. I tried to order for this morning on a short squeeze. Since I released the UFO, Charles JP has been nowhere to be found. Making it new showing up on your chart in the settings sync chat moved too fast. Oh, some guy, I know there's the new little thingy mabloopy here, hey? That was yesterday though. This one? Here we go. Okay. But no, wait. But then there's nothing. No, that's Thursday, Maya. Oh, what happened? Oh, look at that. Okay. Partial has been taken. Now we just moved to break even. Partial, and a runner. Again, guys, this is just on paper trading. Let's see. Hey, we up in the green on the paper now. We were down. We were down quite a bit. Lavender trades order flow. Mike can get new showing up on your And whoop whoop for the joke getting appreciated. There we go, Jordy. So my candidate, Lavender, great candidate acquired. We know you trade order flow. We've seen your skills. Let's go again. Use aggression. 7 green trends. Okay. Now go settings. Club bottom right. More settings. Events. Turn on. A little bubble at the bottom of each. More settings. Okay. There's no cog bottom on the right. Am I being dumb? Probably being dumb. I'll find it later. Let me copy paste that. Alright, settings here. Okay. Settings. So I'm reading. Okay. More settings. I don't see more settings. Sorry. I'll check this out later. Ah, okay, we're out. So it's just going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'll copy paste this. Copy paste. Trying economic events. I'll put a little bubble on the bottom of your chart for when there's going to be news. Mother bluffer. There you go. Stop it. Can we please okay, there we go. I know, my aim in life is to just irritate everyone. Okay. Sorry, I thought I deleted Shaki's joke and I was like, I can't delete that. Okay. Bias, me and Jordy are building the other not butterfly. We skip the more settings, that's why I'm control so we could get in at the same time. Lucky and take a guess. First series what you did, you just need to go events and then economic. Ah. A little bubble. Why do I not have it? I do not see, unless I'm being super dumb. Ideas, session breaks, contract switch period, latest news, news notification. Maybe that one. Okay. Is that right? Your menu is different from mine there, I don't understand. That's weird. I wonder why. Maybe, do you think it's because, no, it shouldn't be because I'm in the paper. That should make absolutely no difference. Jammer, I was not supposed to do that. We still did not get confirmation or denial from Hammer if he is indeed a flat earther or not. Let's see here. Events. Oh, it doesn't have it. That's irritating. Okay. Economic. Not here. I have the only high importance, but it doesn't. Okay, so all of these are coming up at, well, 2:30 my time. That would be 8:30 EST time. Very journal session breaks. I'm saying one thing I might use to might make me a mod on Discord. Mikuave, I'm terrified, but sure. It's so weird. We didn't decide, obviously means he fell off there. Please me, let me know you bought 3 contracts on one future stuff. And that acid screenshot, mine's super weird that yours is different. Let me check your screenshot. Benjamin button system. Or something. Hmm. What? Yeah, sorry, I'm looking at some guy's thing there. That's weird. Okay. It's my asseblief. Is that Afrikaans for something? Oh yeah, asseblief is thank you. Around Earth somewhere. Guess who's got no power? Back. I was just talking about you. That was wild. Are you like Thor's hammer? I mentioned you and you just appear. Anyways, sorry, that was a really, really, really bad joke. Looking at some guy saying, what? Oh no, Louis. Some guy sent his settings and showed me how. Maybe do that now. I don't understand how his events had the option to pop it on, but mine does not, which is a bit mean. Asseblief is please, I'm dying over there. Thanks for the advice. My asseblief is please. We've got home, it's 2:30. It is why? No. Asseblief some clarity on my South African. Donkey is thank you. I know, but what I can't even remember what I was saying. Was I saying asseblief? Oh, I think I was talking to myself to click the correct things. So I was just like, please function. I wasn't saying thank you. Okay, let me see if I can do this. Good actual grief. Oh. Trying to sort out some. How do I? I'm so sorry. I'm butchering things. I'm figuring things out. I'll figure these out later. Don't mind me. Nope. Good grief. Technologically just not. No, I'm sorry. Thanks, Hammer. I never doubted you for a second. Why you said that? Thank you. And someone asked what it is, but oh. Okay. I did. I'm so sorry. I'm just like, what are you talking about? I believe obviously means please. Did I? I'll learn on the job right as well. Training continue about this. Second, nothing to try and change his direction. Hamish was saying she could take 1v1 in a fist fight. Oh, look at the supporters. We're coming for that low, then we gotta see if it holds or breaks. Have you heard that? Sorry, Lucky. That stupid joke of someone said they were chatting to an Afrikaans man and they couldn't understand why he kept telling them to buy a donkey. Buy a donkey. Buy a donkey. Anyways. Sorry, very, very lame joke. Whew. Guys, this London session has been flipping brutal. I can sound. I'm saying, oh, my English is not English. Of course, good grief. That's hilarious. Yeah, cool. You're a secret society for sure. Fire donkey. I like them. Yeah, but I can understand what you're writing. I get it, bye. That's a good one. Thank you guys. I thought it was funny. You train New York Debbie does. Nah, good way. Even if you feeling alright? Good. I'm good. I'm good. I think. I have no idea. Oh shoot. This is too flipping funny. Yo, I must say, time be going slowly when the charts be moving sideways. Oh! I clicked the wrong thing. Do, 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 do. I think I need a nap. You guys have officially, you have done it. You all have broken me today. All of you have taken turns saying unhinged things that have broken my brain today. I'm saying donkey. I nearly said donkey means thank you. You have me saying utter belief means thank you. I sounded like a parrot there. I will acknowledge that I sounded a lot like a parrot there. Anyways, you can do. Be confused if learning than haunted. If you use identity, don't use that to New York, London, up from Wake, Asia as well. Maybe South African in them. Find out. Take my rebalance so that we get a break. Have you been to SA? Clean that cell intro. I hope everyone caught a regression tool that I've shown my jump. Me, what did I do? I'm an angel. Give us a William Knife, man. Is that where we're at today? You know what? Actually, y'all have done it. What's happening with my brain today? What's up, Multimiro? How you doing? Max. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Thanks, guys. It's now stuck in my head. We're doing all the unhinged things today. I am a little bit broken. Anyways, moving on. Oh. Is your favorite color still purple? To be fair, I don't really know if I have a favorite color. I know red suits me with regards to color. Me wearing a color, but with regards to having a favorite color, I don't actually know if I have one. I don't know if that's weird or not. I think all the colors are nice. So weird to not have a favorite color? Alright. And why do I not use the green and red candlesticks? Just wondering. Summer Christmas is coming. So sweet and simply just, they tend to activate emotions. The green and red activates emotions. So to have just neutral colors is easier on the eyeballs and easier on the brain and the inner feeling no-nos. I'm so broken today. Oh my, like not in a bad way. This is really, really hilarious. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm just sitting here going, wow, this is some unhinged content because I'm talking gibberish. This goat is bananas, B-N-N-S. Medium amount of meal, please. Oh gosh. I still don't like that sound. I'm just gonna... Oh, how about we'll talk about if you are actually a flat earther or if you are literally just, I don't know, being a little bit of a troll with regards to that. We still don't know. We really want to know. But don't forget banana flavored dipping sauce. You can trade emotional, but you should not be trading. Yes, don't trade emotional, hence this. Anyways, people in ITP ain't too bad. Got a crash for the New York PCL. Got a screaming student in a bit. Cheers, Louis. That sounded terrible. Anyways, green and red is a disaster for me. It's like Christmas and trauma. Yeah, that was dark as heck. Anyways, moving on. You didn't sing the right number of A's and N's. That's a lie. B-O. For the one you wrote, B-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-S. There we go. Nailed it. I tried. Where's the thingy my Bobby to make you a mod? I tried and then I use white and grey candles. Ooh. See, that's even further neutral than mine. English nailed it. I know you got some. Go green and red. Okay. He makes no sense, does he? Who do I have to test it then? No, so it is me. Is it me? Server settings. Nope, that's not it. Aha! I found it. Shoot. Found you. Okay, should be good. Have a look, see. Done. Okay, done. Oh, I got you, Louis. Here's why system discipline later. Cheers, Louis. Later, alligator. Use red and green. The red one tells me when to start with the blue one tells me when to go. I gotta be honest with you. Your lives helped me to find where my edge truly shines. I used to trade in consistently in our eyes, but moments on cute kids. Aw, Multi-Mirror, I got you. Now finally I can be as cool as you, hey? Damn. Maybe one day. I'm so bored. Wow. Hammer, did you just call me boring? I am offended. Hammer has still yet to answer the question. Hammer, answer the question. Hammer, answer the question. Hammer, answer the question. I want to know the answer. Is this a big Head and Shoulders? Sorry, every time people say Head and Shoulders, I think about the shampoo. Like, why are we talking about hair products? Anyways, like absolutely made discipline being the most important for consistency. I just saw one of your videos. 5% of time. Execute of patience. Yep. Bruh. Guys, it feels like today is just 99% patience. Comfortable trying to use one only for clear view and clear profitable to strike too much in chart. Make you overthink, make it simple and clear. There we go. It is bananas. Just screw you, some guy. Wow! Respectfully, screw you. That. Not gonna be stuck in my head. It breaks down on that right shoulder. Make sure you don't have any dandruff. Check it out with your lines. That was good. That's literally it, the whole process. There's one sentence. You are on the right track. I've been trading for 3 years. Only a couple months ago, I got consistent P&L wise. Aw! Yeah. It's just to get out of... I have to get out of my own way sometimes. That's hard. Like I said, ironically, this little coin flip thing has helped. Like, I no longer go... and I freeze. Literally, for some weird reason, this coin flip has helped a little bit. It makes no logical sense, but here we are. Okay, so not breaking down. We're just going straight back up into this range. I got power. Hammer, you do have the power right now because you weren't telling me what. Anyways, bananas. Jolly, I saw tuna. I think I hear in color and see and sound. Totally lost. Flip. Let me ask. Yeah. Banana, until your mind is gonna struggle with the world for the rest of your life. See, but now this is making me feel like you are a flat earther. So Multi-Mirror, you're saying coin flip can be damaging and might reinforce some undesirable behaviors. Yes and no. So this was a little bit of a discussion we were mentioning earlier. Like I said, I do the coin flip literally only on paper trading. And in my mind, I know for a fact that I'm doing it as a genuine joke. I do not take it seriously, but it's helped me get over the analysis paralysis. Like now I feel way more, sounds so weird, but I feel way more confident taking a trade. It's made me stop overthinking as much. I know it logically makes no sense. I'm not saying everyone must do it. It's just for some reason has helped the brain. I don't know why, I can't give you the answers to that, but for some reason it's just helped the brain kind of go, oh, just do it. It's fine. It also keeps me then busy. And then I'll watch out for the A+ setup, because unfortunately for me, the A+ setups don't show up that often. Especially on days like today. So just to keep me going, I coin flip and go for it. Like I said, not for everyone. Please don't, you know, I really do take note that this is not a strategy. I'm not doing it for real. Doing it for fun in between while I wait for an A+ setup to form and present itself. Like on days like this where it's rangy, I cannot trade my strategy on these days, so why not just have a little bit of fun, right? Do a little bit of a coin flip and see what happens. Can't deny chatters had been stitches today. Thanks everyone. Has maybe a mod but given no privileges. I'm back to square one. What privileges do you need? Okay, wait a second. Gosh, why you gotta be so needy? Ugh. Now where did I do this? I did. I literally just did this now and I forgot what I did to get there. Ah. Shoot. I don't know if that will do things. Ah. See if that did something? I literally have no idea. I made a training demo. Breaking quickly up to do one coin flip can work. Viewer discretion is advised. I think it's just thinky think factor out of the trigger pull. Yeah, Jordy, that's literally it. But then it stops me overthinking when I see an A+ setup. I then just go, okay, click, done. Whereas there was moments where I was just like, I don't know if I can do this. And then I wouldn't, and then I would miss some winning trades because of that. Just break even quick. Yeah, don't make me mod. Make me president. President Hammer. Stop. Hammer time. Ayo. 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 Yeah. Should we do one more coin toss for the lols? Yes, I said for the lols. Let's do one more coin toss for the lols. Oh, that did not work. Stay on the table. On the table, mother fluffer. Sell. Okay. We're making this a quickie. That sounded weird. You know what I mean. Leave me alone. Okay then. Now that that's working for some reason. Cool. Understand you about the coin flip. In my case, spent 2 years building my own framework. One approach I found helpful was to reduce information noise. Interesting, Multimirror. See, and then there's a lot of people that need more noise. Whilst they don't feel like they know enough of what's going on. It's very interesting, but that's always... Right now, in theory, having broken down from range and coming back to retest it. Mind my spelling. So even further down. This is where you need to learn the volume profile to set TP. See, but I mean, with the coin flip, I'm also kind of getting an idea of, okay, sometimes it really gets... But yeah, I think the point is I'm having a little bit of fun with it as well as learning a little bit more like this. Close. Projection off of that wick. Let's see if it goes all the way down now. So wait, you guys would have had it, what, even further down, basically back at VWAP, or were you thinking 595? Nope. Public and I was using SMC for a while and even thought it was good. Very complex. I've gone back to more basic way of trading, which is much more relaxed. For me, I think I forget it's supposed to be a little bit fun as well. Like, this is a little bit of fun and de-stress in between the serious trades. Does that make sense? Like I said, I'm gaining nothing, I'm losing nothing. It's literally, it's a coin toss. There's no thinking that goes into it, so I'm just like, cool. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. So you're on a decent one, right? What, moving? Yeah. Oh, that was close. Lost my head. Leave me alone. Sorry, there's a bug that keeps bugging me. Bruh, if you're gonna take me out, take me out. Take me out of my misery. Okay, there we go. So a little bit in the green. Oh, guys, we went from being in the red today to back into the green. This be a good coin. This is a good coin right here. Right, and I wasn't profitable with it because I didn't have a discipline, patience, and risk management knowledge I needed to think about moving the coin, so technically some thinking is involved. I guess, Debbie. I don't think learning SMC was what made me profitable, even though learning a style of trading was when it became profitable. If that makes sense, but I enjoy the simpler style much more. What kind of coin? This is a 5-cent coin here. We were discussing, I have a South African that's a 2-cent. Where's the 1 cent? I have a South African 1-cent coin here as well, which is absolutely wild because they do not make these anymore. This is from 1988. Yeah. Maybe I'll do that now. I'll go lie on my bed and go through all my coins. I'm genuinely curious to see if there's any. Can you imagine I get rich off of a random coin? To be fair, we said this was like 20 rand. This is a Rhodesian 1975. Is it 1 cent? Yeah, 1 cent coin. It's like worth 20 rand. Or 1 cent coin? Not bad. Upgrading. Name it Kyle. Traders hiding in money maze and when I went to Mauritius, I kept all the money. Breakfast for myself. Goodbye everyone, have a profitable day. Yeah, well, to be fair, I'm most likely going to call it. I said I would do one more little coin flip trade, which we have now done. Let's quickly just move back onto here. Just because I get curious. Okay, so break even for today on the funded. Well, I say break even. We're up like $1. I don't mean to brag or anything. Green is green. Anyways, I'ma call it there. Guys, what should we call the order flow trade section on Discord? The OnlyFans for order flow? No? Okay, I thought that was funny. Okay, I'm gonna call it there. I feel like I need to go and find my brain cells now that I've lost all of them from reading the conversations today. It was lots of fun. I thoroughly enjoyed today's conversation. It was awesome. Definitely thanks for the laughs. The laugh. Yes, for today. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for New York. Let's see what New York brings. This was very choppy, so maybe New York is going to bring us some decent moves. Okay, I love you guys madly. Be good. Trade safe. See you on the flippity flop for New York session. Okay, have a good night, evening, day. Don't forget to press the like button, and if you guys want discounts, you know you can use my code. Okay, I love you guys madly. Bye. Mwah.